My name is Anne, Anne with an E. Today the human wanted to collect rocks to make more of my friends. Once we had enough, we went to check out the trails. We went over the log and kept going. What is this? A side quest? Am I hearing something? What is that? There's people here. They're boating down the river. How fun! We found an awesome swimming spot. I thought this would be my perfect spot. I realized you could barely see me, and I didn't fit either. We decided that heart would be perfect wedged into this fallen tree. Don't you agree? I want to be found. We decided to put me someplace obvious. Stumps are always a favorite, and it's where there are crossing paths. It's a splendid resting place. I'll just wait here for you.